Today's video, we're going to be taking a look at rotted column replacement.
So the top actually got racked over 1.5 feet to the east. And then with the warranty work also, there's rotted columns everywhere in this, which was a little bit of the result of the leaning.
Can you take us through like the process of replacing a rotted column?
So on this pole right here, you can actually see how bad the rot is down at the bottom and the reasons why we're sistering a new pole together. So first you come out and figure out what poles that are rotted, and then you grab your 2-man auger and then you dig a hole next to it down 4 feet. You want to make sure you get below frost. And then you also want to make sure you hit the pre-existing pad at the bottom of the hole. And then you dig that down, you clean it all out with your post hole diggers, make sure there's no sediments in the bottom, and then you throw your pole and then bolt the two together.
You make sure you're getting below that frost line.
Yep.
And that's kind of the major thing, right? Just getting below that frost line.
Yeah, you don't want it to be up too far, like 2 foot in the ground, because then it'll heave up.
We hope this video has been educational for you. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please leave them in the comment section below. And always remember, build with confidence.